Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you a simple trick how you can export your Wix website as a PDF file. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first step I want you to head over to Wix and to log into your account, and on the next page they will ask you to either create a completely new website from scratch or to select one of the pre-existing website projects from this list below. So I will go with that website of mine here for demonstration purposes. Click on select and edit site, and on the following page click on design site here in the upper right corner, and once that's done they will redirect you to the website designing tool here on Wix. So that's where you can customize and edit your own website project. Bear in mind, however guys, that it is not possible to save your website project, for example as a PDF file offline on your computer. And the trick works as following. Once you have published your website, by clicking on this button here in the top right corner to publish, open your freshly created website in a new tab, copy the URL of it, and next head over to a website called seda.com. And on that website scroll down to the very bottom till you see this option here, convert HTML to PDF. And on the following page, paste your website's URL or web address here into this box. Click on this green Convert HTML to PDF button below. Wait for Seda to finish converting. Depending on your website's size, that may take a while of course, but usually it shouldn't take Seda more than a few seconds. And there you go, your Wix website has been successfully converted from an HTML to a PDF file so that you can download it on your computer and edit it offline, or you can even edit it here on Seda if you like. As you can see, the PDF contains all of my website's project's content, including the homepage, the subpages, the images, and so on and so forth. If you like, you can even delete pages or subpages of your PDF file, split, crop, or edit them, and so on and so forth, or even decide to print your website if you like. And then there's also option number 2 guys, a much easier I believe. Simply head back to your published website, right click, select print from that drop down menu. As you can see, this is in Polish for me, but it should be in English for you with the option to print your website. And next select save as PDF here from that drop down menu in the upper right corner. This should be in English for you too. And last but not least, confirm your setup by clicking on this save button here at the bottom to save your website as a PDF file on your computer. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.